The new video from Mark George. Yes, I'm back. Well, last week I had exams, and Thursday and Friday I was sick, so I couldn't make a video. But now I'll start uploading by 2 days of a single video, so keep up. So today I'm going to tell you 5 Chrome settings that will make your Chrome better for you and run faster for your computer and decrease the RAM capacity or decrease the RAM used to make your computer fast. So first we'll go to the settings. First we'll open the advanced here and then go to the system. We have here continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So you want to disable that. Why? So as I said in a previous video, that there are a capability for you to download apps or extensions from the Google Web or Chrome Web Store, which I also made a video about it before. And what this option does is that keeps this app or extension running while you close the Chrome in your computer. So why to disable it? Because it takes a part of the running RAM, which makes your computer slower. But if you want to keep it open, well, it's your opinion. So let's go to the second one. For the second one, we have to go to the privacy and security, also under the advanced, which is use the prediction service to load pages more quickly. So what does this option allow is that you search here in the URL bar. As we know, it is URL bar. So you searched before and cookies and cache. So what you searched. So it will let you from the previous search to tell you what you want to search or suggestions from the prediction service built in from the Chrome service or from the Chrome app. Then we have the settings, advanced, then privacy and security, and then safe browsing, which is here. So that's really easy. It protects you and your device from dangerous sites. So there are sites that tell you, for example, hey, there's a hack for a game here. Click to download. And then you click and there's really a hack for a game, but that's really rare. They always show you a message saying, sorry, there was a mistake happened and we cannot show you the file. So what is downloaded you cannot see is a virus. So what this virus does, for example, there are many types of virus. So you're shopping on Amazon and you're buying a camera, and then you enter your Visa information and then or credit card, for example. So that virus takes the information and sends it to the user who made the virus, and then he will use your credit card without you knowing, and then just it. So you should turn that on. Always turn that on. Then we have 2 customization ones from the beginning here. The appearance, the customized fonts first. So the first one we have is the fonts. So not all of us love Times New Roman as the default font. So you can change it. Did you know that? Yeah. Google made an option for this. So you'll go here and choose whatever font you like from these. And then we have an example here and the font size from here. Then we have the last one, which is go to the downloads inside the advanced and then location for the downloads. So that bothered me a lot. So here what happens is that Chrome every time ask me where the location, which is also can be disabled from here. But you should have a default one, which is in the regular C users and then the name and then downloads. So that's the regular, but you can change it because you don't want to make everyone, for example, in the E. So not every time you go and then C users, or sorry, from the E and then the file. So you can make it the default. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. And if you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell so you won't miss my future videos. Also, don't forget to tell me what tutorial you want next time so I can make it to you. Thanks.